In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through where to find your invoices, how to create a new one or open an existing one, and exactly how to apply a discount so it shows correctly on the total. I'll also share a few tips to keep things accurate and tidy in your books. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left menu and select Sales. Then choose Invoices. This page lists all of your invoices and is the hub for creating, editing, and sending them. If you're following along, it helps to have the customer and item details handy so you can move smoothly through the steps. If you need to create a new invoice, click New Invoice. Fill in the basics. Choose the customer, then add the product or service, the quantity, and the rate. QuickBooks will calculate line totals automatically as you go. If you already have an invoice that needs a discount, just open it from the list. Either way, you're working in the same invoice form where the discount will be added. To add a discount line, scroll down within the invoice. Depending on your layout, you may see a discount button you can click right away. If not, click the plus Add Lines option and choose Discount from the list. This tells QuickBooks you're adding a discount as its own line item, which keeps the calculation transparent for you and your customer. Next, enter the discount details. You can type a specific amount, like $2,500, or a percentage, such as 10%. Pick the discount account that should track this reduction. Most businesses use an account called Sales Discounts. If you don't see one, you can create it so your reports reflect discounts properly. As soon as you enter the amount or percent, QuickBooks automatically subtracts it from the invoice total so you can immediately see the adjusted balance due. When everything looks right, you're ready to save. Click Save and Send if you want to email the invoice to your customer, and QuickBooks will attach a copy and record that it was sent. If you're not ready to send it yet, or you're keeping it for internal records, choose Save and Close. Either option preserves the discount and updates the invoice status accordingly. That's all there is to it. You've opened your invoices, created or selected the one you need, added a discount line, entered the amount or percentage with the correct account, and saved your changes. With these steps, your customers see a clear, professional discount, and your accounting stays clean and consistent.